Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIAPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Innovation School, Morning Shift. My dear student, today I am taking a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 5. From chapter 5, we shall solve a CBQ, which is CBQ number 1. My dear students, there is a good news for you because there is no SW today, okay? So let us start our class. Before starting our class, at first we read the question. Notice, there are 30 boys and 42 girls in grade 5 at Vidyamala Got Primary School. I repeat, there are 30 boys and 42 girls in grade 5 at Vidyamala Got Primary School. That means, my dear students, a school whose name is Vidyamala Primary School, which has 30 boys and 42 girls in grade 5. Using this information, we shall solve three questions A, B and C. So question number A, write down the factors of 30 and 42. So we need not the information of the stem to solve this question. We write the factors of 30 and 42 only. Okay, question number B, find the maximum number of groups so that the boys and girls can be divided equally. That means we need to find out the maximum number of groups, okay, which is made from these 30 boys and 42 girls, and each group has same number of boys and girls. Okay, question number C, how many boys and how many girls are there in each group? That means we need to find out in each group how many girls and how many boys are present. So let us start question number A, write down the factors of 30 and 42. So let us start question number A, factors of 30. My dear student, notice, so 1 and 30 is a factor of 30. Next, 2 and 15. 2 15s are 13. So 2 and 15 both are factors of 13. Next, 3 and 10. Notice, 3 10s are 30. So 3 and 10 both are factors of 30. Again, 4 no, 5 5 6 are 13. Then so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these 8 numbers are factors of 30. I hope you have understood. Question number, so next one, factors of 42. Notice, so first of all, we divide this number by 1 and 42 are the factors of 42. Next, 2, we divide this number by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. If we multiply 2 with 21, then we get 42. So 2 and 21 both are factors of 22. Next, 3, we divide this number by 3. 3, if I divide this number by 3, then 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So yes, 14 and 3 both are factors of 42. So now next number 4 no. Next 5 is not. Then 6 7s are 42. So 6 and 7 both are factors of 42. So my dear student, these are the factors of 42. So which is the required answer of question number A? I hope you have understood. Okay, so this one is done. Next we shall solve question number B. In order to solve question number B, we erase question number A. Dear student, notice, find the maximum number of groups. If a question have maximum number of groups, then that question's answer will be found by finding out the HCF of the factors. Here 30 boys and 42 girls are in grade 5. So first of all, we write, given that, B number question, given that number of boys 30 and is 30 and number of girls is 42. We need to find out the maximum number of groups so that the boys and girls can be divided equally. Now the maximum number of groups will be the HCF of and 42. Okay, now 30 and 42 both are even number. For this reason both number is divided by 2. 2 15s are 30 and 2 20s 1 are 42. Next we divide both number by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 20. Now notice there is no common prime factor between 5 and 7. So the HCF of 30 and 40 is HCF of 30 and 42 is 2 multiply 3. So 3 2s are 6. This is the required answer. That means by using these 30 boys and 42 girls we made maximum 6 groups. So now write the maximum number of groups is 6 and this is the answer. 6 groups. I hope you have understood, my dear student. This is so easy question. Just you need to solve 1 times or 2 times, then it will be clear to you. I hope you have understood. Question number B. Next we shall solve question number C. In order to solve question number C, we need the information. Okay, how many groups are made by using these 30 boys and 42 girls. So first of all, C. From B we get the maximum number of groups is 6. Now my dear student, notice we need to find out the number of boys and number of girls in each group. Notice 6 groups, that means this 6 group has 30 boys. So one group has how many boys? If we divide, then we get the number of boys in each group. Again 6 group has 42 girls. Then we find out the in one groups how many girls are present. That means we divide this 42 by 6 and we get the answer. Okay, now write 6 groups has 30 boys. Therefore one group has 6 group has, it will be have, because it is plural number. 6 groups have 30 boys, so one group has. We divide this 30 by 6 boys. Now notice we divide 30 by 6 and we get 5 boys. Okay, so number of boys in each groups we have already found, which is 5 boys. Next, similar way find out the number of girls in each groups. 6 groups have 42 girls. So one group has, how can we divide 42 by 6? Girls. 6 7s are 42. So 7 girls. So each group has 5 boys and each group has 7 girls. Now write answer. 5 boys and 7 girls. Dear student, notice it's so easy question, but you need to practice it regularly. If you don't practice it regularly, then you forget how to solve this. So my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. No need to do SW of this question, okay, but you need to practice regularly, okay. If you don't practice, you forget how to solve this type of question. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.